le YouTube uma video lana mad lawana ukuthi umuntu yakwanisa ukubukela namhlanje lisenzana uhambe nga so vele befuna ukuqalisela le sengiza iqalisela la so kulento ufuna ukuyikhuluma ebantwini kuma fans zami
esa fans what I say fans esa
see ngabe iTikTok ngabe sengikushaya ngetrip check but naba ya trip check kanjani apha ngifuna ukubuza imibuzo yema pru apha ngifuna ukubuza hayi ajakwazi so avele bengifuna ukuthi
vele ngiyakhohlwa ngathi ngiyakhohlwa
angathi bengifuna ukuthi but anyways angisayenzanga intro. What's good YouTube, is your boy FaZe with another video, and today I'm doing a day in Limpopo man. Namhla video namhla try a day in Limpopo yabo. Ama chilled vibes. Yabe ngwaya afuna ukuyabona abantu eba ama conversation njaka race so. Ngibona lama after abachilile ebe kufuna kube njalo sibhodabhode ekazi khona. Vele sizochila ama video amanye. Ngazi nifuna ukuchina phela 24 hours as a car wash worker. Zabe la client. Zabe la client maybe nzenza dinisi moto ebezi 5. We are sibe sizigeza but sibe sithuni video. Please.
Abuno amasalo abadrive siyala phansi. Ama money stuff.
Yeah. All right, you phuma la. Wena komfa.
Uzazithola ku Facebook. Ethinga amasala. Athi yasabi nje. Ungakhathi. Sorry. Asam, but this is a shy mode. So anyways, today the video is sweet. So anyways, the video today is about it's about what actually? It's about me spending a day in Limpopo, and I think we are going to visit a friend right now. So this is just a chilled video. I haven't been consistent in a while. I think it's been like 2 weeks since I posted a video, or 3 weeks, 15 days or something like that. So today I think I'll have to post this video, bro. Asam. Actually, I'm doing YouTube now, but Ranga. Pela bala kage zwan. Dia kane. Akuzwakali. Ucheda engoni. But I got record. Otherwise, what change?
I switch. I clean it. Please
Thank you for making my video very nice. Otherwise,
watch your style.
Metsa phe. Metsa phe. Ngiyakwazi. Ufuna sikhulume ebantwini. Awusiza kudinga lo mbombo.
Vela ndekare kwamkafa.
Namhla swi. Mrala uphi wathi?
Karo Jojo winachi.
Jojo umbonile wena.
Winachi Jerry. Karo bamxochi ka.
Ingcoza ibona ivideo le.
Ngani la. So live yaphuma sibi.
Iwini. Njengoba la isilamanga yini. It's live khona. We are live, bro. Maybe ngizafaka ama shorts mbamba ngizabonisa yenza. Sibenzele phela ama stunts sibone ukuthi sikufaka mama sithi siyakufaka yabo sikufakela into eyiyo nje. Pop your shit. Hey. Jaza manje sezokuzwi.
Ya uAmanda la. Uyadlula uAmanda baba. Fonele number zona lezangu ufonele ngazo. Ezongoni. Fonele number lezangu ufonele ngazo.
Twa. Mina ngenza khona. No. Me I don't do that, bro. Me I don't. All right. Kamera mezibe nga. Hi. You see? This is just a camera, bro. Sorry for playing the camera, but playing indaba esizwe ngawe la. Indaba le so kulo muntu esihamba laye but unganganga awumbonanga lapha usikhangela. So umuntu lo usibhalele. Thina singabe kasi stories. So umuntu lo is a concern about you. So we come to investigate. Xoxo la sikubuza ukuthi into ayishoyo iqiniso because uthi wena belijola ne belijola then angazi kumbe kwenzakalani angazi kumbe wamchithela kumbe angazi wamghosta yini but ufuna ukubuza ukuthi into ayenzile kuyini ufuna ingcazelo ufuna explanation uyamazi umuntu angikhona alright che cela umfonele che serious man adlali che serious umfonele alright ubona ngani ndama adlali che ubona ngani silamanga
ubhalele incwadi
like consendele message wathi ekasi wathathathi kunomuntu onje so kuthiwa Amanda so meze yabo wangosta but bengimthanda lo muntu bengimthanda wasitsho ube kuthanda kakhulu simthetha ku anduze but ngiyadlala nje ngenzi YouTube I'm doing YouTube right now. How have you been? Funny How have you been though? Yakula Bulawi.
Flu.
Sorry buddy mfonele sorry phela sorry.
Yo, these days these days angazi thinjani. Like so ibuhlungu nje, ibuhlungu ukuthi angazi. Ngizakalani.
Iyavaleka.
But isungcono though.
Yeah, singcono.
So funani. What do you want?
What do I want
For me to make you feel better.
Ufuna stone.
Stony.
Yes.
Yes, sweet. I'll buy you stone.
Serious.
That means serious. So why would I lie?
No.
No, we are talking about you.
No, I had to ask.
I think about like a month back.
Why?
Sometimes you have to like step out of your comfort zone and be nice. No, just kunjalo ikhanda lona. Kube ubukela ama video ama kube dala wabona. That's why I'm being njalo.
Which event did you attend ohamba ufunde lo?
Lapha nanga angazi khatshana le. Let's go somewhere. Chill. You are the main host here. Where could we go and chill, bro? Because we need to have. La lapha emeze sibe khona phela emeze sisitheni still. Ethotshale ko right. Ngikasi lakho phela le. Jerry. So lapho thina. Hayi le. Uthini? Ekobhango ke. Asivoteni alright. Asivoteni. Abavoteli totally ngoba.
Hayi.
Abavotela kobhango ngoba. Abavotela kobhango ngoba. So 2-on-2. Which means it decision kimi because when you vote me I vote both sides phela. So which means
camera la akhuluma.
So laba lisenze njani alright.
Unukhala kujema umba useduze just the same.
Univumelana semahomba. Sabelo alright. Jerry, suppose I said siphambili like. Man. Okay, cool. So guys, this is my friend Amanda. Say hi to the chat.
Hi.
To the vlog, to the chat, whatever. But anyway, so this is my like audio. When an audio is azwakala from lapha, like I want clear audio. So this must come even though noma ilapha. It's cool. It's cool. So when I hear
That's my work, bro.
Good boy.
He was
Good
7
boy.
then.
Good boy. So how's life? Jebeng, so when you say since was now baby silokhe sinjalo. Hey, but this is not an interview, guys. Jerry, please, no, I don't care about interview. So I don't know I'm interview.
So be part of the conversation.
Hey, I'm phone to go back to your voice.
Okay, it's okay as long as I'm playing.
So being such when you say like ngendlela wasicina ngayo. Silokhe sifana. It's not a good side, Jerry. Ukubona khona yeah, we may as well like a little change. I can't like appearance, but maybe like mentally.
No, mentally I did see a little change. My business, now you have your own thing going.
Yeah.
You see, mentally, there's a little change. I should die. It's cool. In fact, it's cool. I love saying cool.
When I say I was too cool, but you mean cool,
ukudlula thina
ndoshia
uthukule kakhulu ukudlula thina
yadlala
ukhula ngathi phela wena
yadlala
ukhula ngathi
yadlala yeah take your shit
ma uzayivula njani drink la
letha kuvule ngizakusebenzela mfana lawe yabo sizahamba kwenye indawo yabo but if you come out but I need a cameraman George singahamba out so sibe sisidla but kebe kulomuntu uJerry guy so see I want to take you out we go for a lunch or ice cream or something which is nice though yeah because I now make YouTube I want to do fun stuff me I like to do fun stuff obviously so one day so I'm asking you on a date in front of Abantu.
You asked me on a date.
Yeah. I'm asking. I want to go out with you.
I think I'll decline.
What's your problem? Yes. Why?
I'll decline you.
Why?
Because I don't think Gucci.
Inappropriate. Me, I just said, you see, I want to go out with you.
On a date.
So.
On a date.
So.
And.
It's not like we are dating and stuff. It's just a date. Like so when I say can't you go out? You alright? But right now I want to go out with you.
Okay, I'll first have to confirm with someone.
Yes.
So. Are you comfortable with me going out?
Man. As the person says so. I want to go out with you. We're on a date and I'm fine. I want to go out with you. Pendulas. No, on a date and I'm fine. But I want to go out with you.
I will see. When?
Anytime. I will tell you when. But anytime Uzambona saying phone, hey, are you available today? Get me in born like my plans because I usually have my plans brand yabo, so I have to make a day for into Ancon. Then yabo. It's not something hectic though, which is just going out.
So who's saying record and say foot?
And so I say my game.
Umhlaba wonke
ubona. Siyadlala ama game.
Safuna njani inkinga njani?
Nasebambona kaningi ukuthi ngeke.
Wena sebambona kaningi.
Wena la nanku is there a problem? So like you make a mess phela
You never know. Kudla.
You girls are so like abantu abaningi like amankazana they basaba like angithi thoni yasaba but amankazana amaningi like lokubona siza maybe ngifuna ukwenza ivideo umuntu yase uncomfortable of as abantu nje they always talk whether wenza into enhle whether wenza into embi nje that's what I know about abantu. They always talk. Whether uthi umhlafuna njani, umhlafuna akulandaba lokho. As long as when uyenza kwakho, be cool with it. Because la manje mona kathesi, I'm cool with what I'm doing. I'm born problem, but omunye umuntu sengaboni problem. They can see problem ngento esiyenza kathesi. Omunye uzabona kuyinto enhle. Omunye uzabona kule into ehle. What you doing is nice. So kuyabe kukuyo ntshoni ukhetha ukuthi ulale la. Yabo.
I'll consider that.
Good girl. At least I'm able to make. Jazi befuna ukudlalela lapha ngicela uzume lapha. Yabani lapha kuphakile ya. Befuna ukudlalela. Befuna ukwenza emjingweni nje. Ani yabona sebe ngixoxe. Echeri lo asigijime phela siyofika lapha. Yeah. Ngifuna ungamthayi kwinto khana ukuchelela.
Ngiyala ba. Hayi kuncane kakhulu ndoda.
Angikwani.
Thina sasikhamba ngecast siyawutsho.
Khathesi this year
Sambile kwasithi was last year by December.
asambeni.
Ubusemtshelele.
Asambeni.
Like we were doing videos of content.
Asambeni. Fuchele mina ngizachele. Ngamfuna but yabo kukanti kuyabe kungena umuntu owilling to like go with me stuff, so I need crazy people like me, but ku right ukuthi ngibe labantu aba right abanjengayo cause sonke singahlanya ngicina senze izinto ezingekho because mina lama ngeke ngithi nje lokho esikwenzayo ku right yabo. Ishingoma lezi ana ngizizwisisa siqhumeni la. How's it being a nice cameraman? Video che cameraman video. Sure. These people make my videos nice because abantu lapha sebebona phela abantu ebekitha kuma videos they'll be like, oh, okay, this guy is having fun, this guy is cool and all. Yabo akulanda ngono besixoxe manje lapha kungenwa njani sokuvaliwe kungenwa ikelela ile white jela ngena la.
Thina sasingene khona la sira. No, sasingene khona la.
Asahambe phela siyongena khona ngayo. Yemeze yabo, step out of your comfort zone. Do something fun, do something, be weird. Because abantu they will always say what they want to say.
So, do you call yourself an adventurous person?
A very, because kulezinto eziningi ngifuna ukuzenza, like ngifuna ukwenza the craziest thing possible on this earth.
Like what?
Bungee jumping.
Bungee
jumping. I want to go. Angazi, as long as into yangikhona ichaza. Even kulo challenge phakathi adventurous, I'm in. Look at my manners, boy. I'm schooling you. Look at my manners.
So what are you going to do?
I'm from Chile. I'm Chile. So che. Yes. Yep. Akulanda. Na vele noma ngaze bele 30 years I'll still be chelela. Wena unandisha. Jeni ngomba phela. Noma ngaze bele 30. Yeah? It's not really. I ngizithi vlogger, but I'm a YouTuber. This is nice. Man, I'm chilling. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's like this is not. It's like this is not the same guy.
Achelo ke sigele asembuso of God kwakuyinatsha. But thina imijingo laza siyithanda kakhulu.
Angikholisanga. Ngibala ngenza.
Jingo man.
Chingo, I think by keep.
Pelani.
Konapo, I don't know. It's alright. Like you can climb the.
Ay, so great.
Yo. Usilokho kunye kuncane.
Abala sisu.
Sisu khona, why khona? I think maybe I'm keep.
Akula mjingo.
Ijimbo la khawo.
What's that?
This park close.
Dokya?
Ay katala yako na ba?
No, look at your mtalo apha khona.
Eh.
The next thing. What's that?
Shinta mbele zincane zincane. Amukela ke. Ngaphandle kule jet, le jet. Balapha mboni thi ngaphuma.
Yeah, Papa. Ne?
Can you do this, jet? Wena, kayini lokhuzeni. Igi ama gi. Kaze kaziyangisa. Kaze kaziyangisa. All right.
We're now on 12 minutes. We now need more.
Hayi. Lapha ngifuna ukungena but no.
Like, yeah, you can do something adventurous. Like, I think, like, it's a
Hayi, ndoke ngizopha. Eish, must go.
like, you're like this.
Ay.
Yeah, bro, it's something adventurous, bro. And I think you can do it.
But it's adventurous. Khangela. So lapha akusameza until phansi.
Yeah. Like a soldier, like Coach Blue.
Yabona uJeru ngi-influencer ngento ezingena ngqondo njani. So like a soldier.
Yes.
Angisakwanisi. Yini ndoda?
That's someone's future dad. So sad.
Wena. Nameze American Ninja Warrior. I'm very athletic, my man. I'm very athletic.
Bro, you didn't do what I asked you to do.
Hayi. Ngifuna ngingene ngawo right.
Like,
Uthe ungene la uzophuma nga. Like so.
oh.
Kulala likwenza church kodwa.
Ay.
Now, where's my This was a fun video though. Yeah. Ngazi abanye abantu. Njengoba sethi thumbnail yabona le kind of like ma ungena ku YouTube the picture evela la yabo so very perfect. Jerry, I want to so what okay, cool. So I just wanted to end the video bafethu. I'm tired. Come up out to what you tired. You're tired. You've been crazy.
Tired.
And stuff like that. So anyways, please like, share, comment and subscribe. I don't like ending the video like this, but anyways, it is what it is, and my life is a movie. So if you see me on the internet, please don't ask me why. I did it with no CV.
Bro, what you trying to say?
ngakubona komunye ume akubona man mana ngenzo wami. My life life is a series. Yeah, people say their lives are a movie, but mine is a series. So if you see me on social media, on TikTok, even on TV, or even on international news, BBC, just know that don't be surprised. My life is a series, and I'm going to the top.